Today, we're going to talk about a concept that's absolutely critical for every single driver, but it's something we almost never consciously think about. It's the hidden physics that dictates exactly where our car goes and why. So, let's get into it.
You know that feeling, right? You're in a tight turn and it feels like your car just doesn't want to follow the line you're steering. Or maybe you've held your breath as a massive truck in front of you swings way out into the other lane to make a turn, looking totally unpredictable. These are those common, kind of tense moments we all know.
Well, believe it or not, there's a science behind all those moments. The key to predicting them, and frankly, to becoming a much more confident driver, really comes down to understanding one core idea: vehicle trajectory.
So first up, what exactly is trajectory? Let's break down what this word actually means when we're talking about driving.
At its most basic, vehicle trajectory is just the path your car, or any vehicle for that matter, follows as it moves. It's the line it traces from point A to point B. But of course, as you can probably guess, it's a little more complex than that.
Your car's path isn't just about you turning the steering wheel. It's really this constant negotiation between physics, your car's motion and its momentum, and your ability to control it. And getting that relationship right, well, that's what separates a smooth, safe maneuver from a potential accident.
Now, here's where it gets really useful. This isn't just about your own car. A huge part of staying safe out there is learning to anticipate the paths of other vehicles, especially the big ones.
And when we're looking at other vehicles, there are two critical patterns you need to be watching for. First, there's the inner trajectory, which you can think of as the corner cut. And second, the outer trajectory, which is all about that tail swing. Let's look at each one.
So with the inner trajectory, the idea is simple. A vehicle's back wheels always follow a tighter, shorter path than its front wheels. On a long truck or a bus, this effect is dramatic. It's the exact reason you see truckers swing way out into the lane before they even start a turn. They're making space for their rear wheels to clear the corner without running over the curb. Now on the flip side, you have the outer trajectory, or the tail swing. This happens with vehicles that have a long overhang. You know, the part of the vehicle that sticks out past the rear wheels, like on a moving van or a big RV. When they turn, the very back end of the vehicle actually swings outwards, making an even wider arc than the wheels themselves.
And this quote just perfectly shows you how dangerous that can be. A driver literally shared this exact experience. They were in a moving van, completely forgot about the tail swing, and almost took out a fence post. It's a really good reminder of how that swing zone can be a real hazard for cyclists, pedestrians, or any car that gets just a little too close.
Okay, so we know how to watch out for other people, but what about managing our own car's path? Let's shift our focus now to the factors that directly shape your vehicle's trajectory.
There are 5 key things that are always in play here: your speed, your car's weight, the condition of the road itself, the mechanical state of your car, and of course, your own actions behind the wheel.
First up, velocity. And this is about more than just your stopping distance. At higher speeds, your car's yaw rates, that's just a fancy term for how quickly it rotates, becomes incredibly sensitive. What that means is a tiny little nudge of the steering wheel at 70 miles per hour has a much bigger effect than it does at 30. It forces you to be finer and smoother with your control. Next up is weight. A heavier vehicle has more inertia, which basically means it resists changing direction. So trying to swerve or correct a slide in a heavy SUV takes way more effort and distance than in a light little car. The analogy here says it all. It's like trying to steer a boat versus a go-kart. You have to think much further ahead.
Third, the road itself is never perfect. And I mean, beyond the obvious stuff like ice, your car's trajectory is constantly being nudged by more subtle things. A patch of wet leaves, a little loose gravel on a corner, or even just uneven pavement can suddenly change the grip on just one tire and try to push your car off the line you intended to follow.
Number 4 is the mechanical health of your car. If you have worn out steering and suspension parts, the car just can't respond predictably. The feeling is kind of vague, a little unstable. It's like trying to draw a neat straight line with a shaky hand. Your car simply can't execute your intentions with any precision.
And that brings us to the 5th and probably the most critical factor: you. All the physics in the world can be instantly canceled out by one bad decision. Distraction, aggression, fatigue, they all destroy your control over your trajectory. This is the one element where you have nearly complete command.
So what does all of this mean for you on your daily drive? How does this knowledge actually give you a real, tangible advantage on the road? Because this isn't just abstract theory for race car drivers, not at all. It's a practical skill. And understanding trajectory transforms you from someone who just reacts to traffic into someone who can actually predict it. That gives you a massive advantage.
This is your new advantage. You can start to see the invisible moves of other vehicles, like that corner cut or that tail swing.
You can better anticipate how your own car is going to react to the road. And ultimately, this just lets you avoid trouble before it even starts, and lets you drive with so much more confidence and control.
So, I'll leave you with a thought for your next drive. We've talked about the big, obvious movements of trucks, but I want you to pay close attention to your own car. What are the tiny, subtle shifts it's making in a turn or a lane change that you've probably never even noticed before? Keep an eye out for it. I think you might be surprised by what you see.
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.